So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to draw hairs perfectly. So first of all, make a rough outline of your sketch. I am not going to use Tombow Mono Zero eraser as not many beginners have this eraser. I am using HB pencil for shading the base layer. Keep in mind that your pencil should be sharp. We should shade the base layer with whatever light grade pencil we have.
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah.
To draw realistic hairs, we have to keep patience, as it is very time taking.
Yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
Apply pressure for shading hairs according to your photograph.
The world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow. 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 We should breathe slow.
I have shaded the base layer. Now I am blending it with a brush. Now I am using 10B pencil for shading the dark part.
We should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow. 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 We should breathe slow.
So now I am blending the second layer. As you can see, it became very smooth after blending. I will shade this part in the same way.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't don't see. Yeah, these days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to
Now I am blending it properly.
yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah.
Now I will draw the hair that is scattered.
Breathe slow, breathe slow. Breathe slow.
I hope friends you would have loved this video. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe for such informative and fun videos.